Heidi ho, welcome to my channel, Your Finger My Ring. I turn coins into rings and I'm going to try a Polish coin today. I got this off some holiday maker today, 1994. It's a 5 zloty. I'm saying it totally wrong probably, but zloty. But there you go. So first of all, we've got to bang a hole in it, and for that we need this. I want to bang a 1/2 inch hole in it because this brass bit's going to come out anyway, so we're just going to be using the silver part of the coin. This is self-centering, so you're guaranteed of getting the coin dead center over the punch hole. How you all doing? Good? Good. So did you have a good night last night, Friday night? Did you behave yourselves? That's the question. This, I got my new selfie stick thing today. I'm trying it, I've stuck it on, but it's still a bit wobbly. So I'll go back to the table. And last night, every time I do a video, I upload it and of course I check it out. And there's 2 or 3 instances where it sounded like, oh Jesus wept, one of them days again. It sounded like I ripped one off, but I did not. It was my camera holder making some strange noises. I promise you it wasn't me. I mean, it'll probably do it on tonight's video as well. But I did not rip anything off last night. If you don't know what that means, I did not pass wind. Right. So we're now going to punch this rest of this brass bit out. This is a 17-degree folding die, and I can go in there like that. And I can come around there like this. Yeah, with this new selfie stick camera holder, I can actually touch the screen. That was been the problem. Why I couldn't go live. I could not touch the screen. God. Right. Now I want to give it some love with Bernie. Yeah, I was on the market today. Bloody windy. My neighbour, he set up next to me, and after 10 minutes he said, nah, sod this. He packed up and went home. I mean, the wind was terrible. Anything over about 10 metres per second, you can't be there. All you're doing is holding on to your tent all the time, even though you nail it down. This is just annealing the coin. If you subscribed in the last day or 2, thank you so much. And if you've come across this channel by mistake, or you just popped in to see what it's all about, and you like what you see, there's a little button down there. Hit that and you're automatically subscribed. Right, so what we're going to go for, sunny side up. Yeah. Gonna go for this side. Go back to Big Red. Yeah, I think I've got a bit more fine adjustments to do with this camera, or one of the camera holders. God, Jesus wept. Okay, that is fully folded. Another one of them days for me. Makes a change, doesn't it? Right, now I want to get Sandy the sandpaper out. This is what Helsinki Rock wanted me to call this. She bought a ring off me a while ago. So Helsinki Rocks, there you go. You got any scratches or cracks? Otherwise that causes the ring to split. Right, let's take it over to your friend and my friend, Spike. And a bit of kitchen roll. This just protects the inside of the coin. I mean, it's going to be a narrow banded ring, but I don't have many narrow banded rings, so focus. So now I want to get, no, that wasn't me, that was the camera. I'll give it a bit more burny. And then we want to straighten the walls up. Yeah, if you're looking for a coin ring, you can check out my shop. There's quite a few in there. If you see one you like, I can adjust the size up or down. They are in EU size. So get your ring size, tell me what it is, and I can adjust. I will shortly be listing all the coins I've got, the different dates. So you can also send me your own coins, and I can turn them into a ring for you. Right, let's use a 70-degree die for this. I've got a bit more control. What's it looking like? Hello? Anybody home? Focus, you bugger. I could do a bit more. Is there any more there to give? Yeah, just a little bit. If you've got any questions or anything you'd like me to make or do, you can leave comments under the video, or you can email me at yourfingermyring.com. So now we want to get out our little tool here. It's Christy Burr, and we're just getting rid of that inside lip, as it makes it uncomfortable to wear. It also makes the ring slightly larger. So you've been having a good weekend? I went and had a few bevies today after work. Met a few mates down the local. It's nice after you had a hard day, isn't it, you know? Oops, daisy. Where did that go? Huh. It's the second time I've done this today. Here it is. God. Thing with these, you drop them on the floor, they just roll anywhere. I was making a load of coins for the market the other day, and I dropped two as they was fully folded, so they're cone shaped, and where God knows where they've gone. They'll turn up eventually. Eventually. Quite a big lip on this one. I'll go to the market again tomorrow. Hopefully it's not as windy. I'll check the weather forecast, it's not supposed to be that bad. But God, it is bad today. And you can't enjoy yourself because you're just waiting for your tent to disappear, even though you nail it down, and they still go sometimes. A friend of mine, a couple of months ago, his tent went, and there's two brand new Mercedes, and his tent went right in between them. It didn't touch them. I mean, how lucky is that? Right, bit of steel wool, clean up that edge. This doesn't scratch, it's quad zero steel wool, so it doesn't really scratch. It just cleans stuff up, gets the fire scale off. Right, let's get at Kate Bush. She's looking a bit better today. Like I say, if you want this highly polished, I'll happily do it for you. Well, I do polish up the inside. Right. Let's pop in another. Okay. A bit of polish. Yeah, if you have any coins at home, sentimental value or something in the drawer, you can post it to me and I'll turn it into a ring for you. And I should be able to do it live on YouTube soon. I mean, this is a bit of a play this next day or two with this camera setup. If I'm happy with it, then I'll be going live. I mean, I could have gone live a couple of weeks ago, but you couldn't press the bloody screen. I was even thinking of trying to drill out the back of the camera holder, you know. What we got in there? So that's why you use kitchen roll. Polska. There you go, ladies and gents. One Polish coin ring. Fits my little finger nicely. What size we got? Probably size 10, 12. And you always measure from the reedy side of the coin because that's the thickest part. EU size, this is a size 63. UK size. US size 10 3/4 thereabouts. So there you go, ladies and gents. Thanks for stopping by. It's a bit late, I know. But thanks a lot, and see you in the next one. Have a nice Saturday night. Behave yourselves.